staring at a black screen instead of your maps on your Toyota Tundra. The good news is that most of these connectivity issues are just minor software glitches. Let's walk through the steps to get your display back in action. Start by swapping your cable, checking your iPhone restrictions, and deleting the pairing from both devices. Often, an outdated iOS or a sluggish firmware state on the Toyota head unit causes the handshake to fail. Try a hard reset by holding the power volume knob for 10 seconds until the system reboots. Try these home fixes first, as a dealer visit is only necessary if the hardware itself has failed. Data shows that 80% of issues are fixed by swapping cables or rebooting the head unit. If it still fails, clean the USB port and check the Toyota owner portal for official firmware updates. Keep compressed air and a high-quality cable in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, technology is great until it isn't, so always try the simplest solution before paying for service. If this helped you reconnect, give us a like and subscribe for more Tundra maintenance tips.